Very important to remind ourselves of the need to be kind to simply us. Allow the sound of the chime to call you to presence. Right here, right now, following the sound. You might want to roll your shoulders, squeeze the shoulders, take a big yawn, stretch. Any movements that help you relax and settle into your seat. Perhaps a few deep conscious breaths. And exhale. Double inhale. One more time. Relaxing and releasing, allowing a letting go of any tensions that you feel. Closing your eyes or looking down with a soft, unfocused gaze. Drawing attention to the breath. Allowing the breath to flow in its natural rhythm. Only noticing that you are breathing. And dropping your awareness into your feet, noticing the support beneath you, maybe gently pressing into the soles of the feet, sensing into the temperature, different sensations, if there's any breeze or movement, textures of clothing. Noticing everything you're aware of with your sense of touch. And moving your attention to all the supports beneath you, the seat, if you're leaning back, whatever it is you're resting upon. And allowing yourself to relax and settle. A softening, a yielding to gravity. Feeling supported by the natural earth beneath you. Sensing the inhalation. Exhalation. And calling to mind any being, animal, plant, human, spirit, any being for whom you feel a sense of unconditional acceptance and support, a sense of love. And allow yourself to fill out your sense of the presence of this being before you. Perhaps noticing the fullness of the setting, surroundings, colors, textures, sounds and scents. Allowing whatever you need to feel completely safe and secure, supported right here. And imagine that this kind being is sharing its energy, focusing toward you, and offering love and compassion, kindness. May love and kindness travel with you today and always. May you be safe and secure. May you be protected from inner and outer harm. May you be well in body and mind. May you be healthy and happy, at ease and at peace. And allow yourself to feel the radiant warmth and kindness of this being towards you. These words of care and compassion. The feelings surrounding you, almost like a cozy blanket. Offering shelter, support, kindness, and care. And breathing in. And breathing out. And then you might want to bring a half smile to the lips. And you can offer yourself a gesture of support. It can be a hand on the heart or both hands on the heart. Perhaps resting at one hand on another arm or holding a hand in the hand. Or resting your hands on your belly or holding them softly cupped together. Whatever feels supportive for you. Offering yourself a moment of soothing touch. And as you sense this touch, allow the warmth and radiance to spread throughout your body. Savoring this gentle gesture of support. While you offer Metta to yourself. May love and kindness travel with me today and always. May I be safe and secure. May I be protected from inner and outer harm. May I be well in body and mind. May I be healthy and happy, at ease and at peace. And if, as you're offering yourself these words of kindness and care, you notice any self-doubt or critique, any self-judgment. Consider offering yourself kindness and forgiveness for that too. Allowing the goodness of your true nature to radiate throughout your entire being. And now, if you'd like to offer loving kindness to any communities, groups of people, nature, the planet, the universe, whatever collectives, allow them to appear before you in your heart and in your mind's eye. All those suffering and those whom you hold dear, and offering kindness and compassion for us all in this life together. May love and kindness travel with us all, today and always. May we all be safe and secure. May we all be protected from inner and outer harm. May we all be well in body and mind. May we all be healthy and happy, at ease and at peace. And allow yourself to rest in this genuine wish of well-being for others, other beings. Breathing it in. Imagine it radiating inward and outward. Flowing through you and beyond. And pausing, perhaps to offer appreciation and gratitude for the opportunity to be connected with such vast love and radiant energy within and without. Here and beyond. Allowing the sound of the chime to call you back from your meditation. Gently opening the eyes if the eyes have been closed, pressing your feet into the surface beneath you, perhaps rolling the shoulders, stretching, taking a yawn, looking around, Noticing colors, shapes, textures, the beauty of the variety that surrounds you. Carrying love and kindness with you for the rest of your day. Thank you for this time.